Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Sensual.
Let's break it down.
This word is often stretched too much, but the correct way is sensual. Start with sen, then shu, and finish with a soft ul. Together, sensual. Now let's practice it together 3 times. Ready? Sensual, sensual, sensual. Smooth, right? If you got it right all 3 times, you just added a graceful word to your vocabulary.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Sensual, 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 sensual.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.